Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel of Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my video. Hello guys! Welcome back to my vlog, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. So for today, another recipe ang i-share ko sa inyo. And I know everybody will love this recipe. And ito ay ang yan, lobster in curry sauce or simply lobster curry. Ayan. So sino ba naman ang makakahindi sa lobster? Ayan. And you know, the lobster has been bought pa sa El Nido. So binili ito ni Bean sa El Nido when he visited El Nido last month. Ito lang, last August. So nag-isip ako ng recipe na pwede kong maluto out of lobster. So ito nga ang lobster curry. So ito yung mga ingredient natin. Of course, the lobster. Tingnan nyo. Hindi na ganong, may mas malalaki pang lobster. And ito yung mga nabili ni Vince is medium size lobster. Ayan. See? I'm excited to taste this one. And alam nyo, sa mga restaurant, napakamahal ng lobster. And sa El Nido, murang-murang lobster. Kaya if you visit El Nido, nako, bumili na kayo ng mga fresh lobster doon. Okay? And of course, since curry ang lulutuin natin, hindi mawawala ang gata and also the curry powder. And meron din akong slice of potato and of course, siling haba and sibuyas, bawang at luya. Okay, so that's my ingredients for today. So, let's start cooking. Okay, so sa ating pan, I will not use oil, kundi ang gagamitin kong oil is the coconut. What do you call this? The coconut cream. First, tiga ng milk. So, hayaan lang natin siyang mantika. Talaga ng coconut oil. So, ito yung first piga ng nyug. Hindi ako gumagamit ng second piga. So, ang sa palengke, binili ko to worth 30 pesos lang. So, maybe itong coconut cream natin ngayon is approximately 1.5 cups. Nagmamantika na siya. Okay, so let's put our bawang, sibuyas, and luya. Pagsabay-sabayin na natin, guys. Okay, so lutuin lang natin hanggang maging golden brown. Okay, so let's put the lobster. The coconut cream. Magtira tayo ng konti para sa last sauce niya. And then, let's put the siling haba. Then, lagay na natin ang ating patatas. Okay, so let it simmer for a few minutes. See you in a bit, guys. Okay, so it's boiling. Let's put some salt to taste. And of course, pepper. And then let's put the curry powder. Okay. And then it's up to you kung lalagyan niyo pa ng iba pang mga seasonings. Okay, so mamaya I will put some white pepper. Okay, so let it boil again. Let it simmer for a few minutes. Haluin lang natin. Ayan, no? Malalaman natin kung luto na ang lobster pagka the color turns to orange. Orange. Ayan, no? Diba? The color so lovely. Ito hindi pa gaano maluto. So, lagyan natin sa ilalim. Ayan. Okay. It's boiling. Bango. The curry powder is so good. Okay, so let it simmer for another few minutes. Plus to put yung remaining gata. All good na to, guys. Yummy. Let's serve it to plate. Ayan, I already put sa ating bowl. And of course, let's put the yummy sauce. And then, let's put some fried garlic as an option. Ping, ping, ping. Ping, ping, ping. Okay, guys. So, here's my finished product, ang aking lobster curry. So, tatawagin ko na si Vince at kakain na kami. Ayan. So, thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Always remember to cook with love and passion. Okay? So, sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now!